If you come from a B2B or services background, you'll know how frustrating CRMs can be. In this video, I'll walk you through setting up Brevo CRM, a simpler, more affordable way to manage contacts, deals, pipelines, and follow-ups all in the one place. Quick heads up, it's a fair bit of work up front. But it's worth doing it right, as it will make managing deals so much easier in the long run. Just navigate over to CRM in the left menu and click on Deals. You'll first be asked to give your pipeline a name. This is especially important if you're setting up multiple pipelines and need to distinguish between them, which is something you can do if you upgrade to the paid version of the CRM. So I'm going to give it the name Email Tool Tester Sales. Next is a really handy feature that lets you quickly define the stages of your sales process. As you can see, you can select from a pre-made template to choose the stages that are most relevant to your business. Options include coaching, consulting, software, and clicking on each one will let you see the stages available. And don't worry if they're not 100% right, as you can edit these later. I'm going to choose consulting, as the stages are pretty closely aligned to our own process. So let's go ahead and create our first pipeline. What we want to do next is customize our pipeline to make sure it shows all the information we want to see and is perfectly tailored to our company. If you don't see the option to do that in the Explore Deals window, you can get there by clicking the settings icon at the top, then going to Deals. Here you can set notifications when tasks or contacts are assigned to you, add other users such as sales staff, and change your sales currency. These are all pretty self-explanatory, so I'll let you explore them on your own. What I'm most interested in is configuring my pipeline settings, so let's choose that. Clicking on the pencil icon will let you edit your stages. You can add or delete stages and reorder them. In our case, I'm going to delete negotiation, as we offer a standardized pricing for our services and don't usually need to negotiate pricing. Opportunities will go straight from proposal sent to won or lost. So let's save that change. If you've already been using a CRM for a while and have a good feel for how many of your deals progress from stage to stage, you can set up a weighted pipeline by going to Estimated Revenue. This lets you forecast expected sales for your pipeline. Just toggle to show estimated revenue for each stage and go back to editing your pipeline stages. You'll see that you can now add win probabilities for each stage. Now let's head over to the Deal Card tab and customize the information we want to see for each deal in the pipeline. By default, you'll see the deal name, amount, associated customer contact, and the last activity date. Plus, if this toggle is enabled, you can see any upcoming activity associated with that deal, such as scheduled meetings. I want to see slightly different information, so I'm going to hit Select Attributes. I'd like to see the associated owner and the deal owner, so I'm going to add in these options. I'm also going to reorder a few of these so that they're organized more logically. When you're done, hit Save. One important thing to do is make sure you've defined potential reasons for losing a deal, which can help you identify ways to improve your sales process. You can do this under Lost Reason. Just scroll down the list to find it. Click Edit and make sure you've added all the relevant options. Scroll through the list to make sure they're all relevant, and feel free to remove any or add your own. So our pipeline is now ready for your sales team to start using. And because you've put in all the hard work to set it all up correctly, managing deals should now be a breeze. Before we dive back in, quick question. Are you ready to take your email marketing to the next level? If that's a yes, then you'll love this. Our complete Brevo email marketing course, built to help you get results fast. At Email Tool Tester, we've been using Brevo for years now. And we've seen our open rates climb to 55% and our list grow by hundreds of new subscribers each month. Now we're revealing the exact methods behind those results, so you can finally master Brevo and turn your email campaigns into real conversion drivers. In our course, you'll find over 2 hours of hands-on, step-by-step tutorials covering everything from automation and CRM features to AI-powered tools. And the best part? You'll get direct access to our team of Brevo experts, including me, inside our exclusive community. If you're serious about growing your results, now's the time. Sign up today and get 30% off the full course. Let's click on Create a Deal, where you can very quickly create a deal from this window. choose an existing contact, or create one if they're not already in Brevo. Pick the company to associate them with, then enter a name for that deal, something that lets you easily identify what this deal relates to. I'm going to use the company name and the service we're selling, so I'll type in Harbour Consulting Authentication Setup. Choose a relevant deal stage. In our case, this will be proposal sent, assuming that this is a deal that's in its final stages. Enter in the amount if you already know it, for example, $500. Close date is when I expect to have the deal closed by, so I'll set it to 2 weeks for now, but obviously use whatever time frame makes sense for your sales cycle. I'll also want to add a task to follow up with an email if the sale hasn't closed by then, so I'll create that and set a due date. On the free CRM plan, you can have up to 50 open deals in your pipeline. For a small business like ours, that's plenty. But if you ever need more, you can purchase Brevo's Sales Essentials add-on. This starts from around $28 per month. So now you have your very first deal in your pipeline. If you click on it, you can dig deeper to change the stage, see upcoming activities, or view recent history. You can even perform actions like adding notes, emailing contacts directly from Brevo, and creating tasks. Going back to the pipeline, you can also change deal stages by dragging and dropping them to the relevant stage. For example, when you've won or lost a deal. You can also see the estimated revenue for each stage based on the probabilities we added before. Once you and your sales team have added in more deals and have been using the CRM for a while, you can analyze your sales numbers by going into reports. Here, you'll be able to see your revenue over time and your current pipeline value against your estimated revenue. As you can see, Brevo CRM offers a simple system to help you track your sales pipeline all alongside your email marketing. It's not a heavyweight CRM like Salesforce or HubSpot, but for small teams wanting email marketing and sales in one place, it's a practical and cost-effective option. The great news is that many of the CRM features you've seen are available for free, including extras like a website chat widget and appointment booking. Just bear in mind that if you need automations, multiple users, or unlimited deals and pipelines, you'll need to purchase the CRM add-on, which starts at around $28 a month. If you'd like to learn more about getting the most out of Brevo, make sure to check out our complete Brevo for Beginners course. I've left a link in the description. Thanks for watching.